For the past 20 years, God has transformed the lives of thousands of students at Campus Harvest. Come to Campus Harvest 2011.
I was raised in a Hindu family, and I didn't know anything about who Jesus Christ was or what his purpose was for us. Until I started asking questions myself and realizing that everything that I had been taught really wasn't true and really wasn't the truth. And that's when Jesus Christ really stepped in and showed me the truth about who he was. God flooded me with his love, and he showed me who he was, and he completely transformed me and changed me. Now that love is just poured into the people around me, particularly my sister, who herself was transformed by this powerful love, and she got saved a few months ago.
Come to Campus Harvest 2011. Featuring Josh McDowell. Josh has spoken in 118 countries and authored 112 books, including More Than a Carpenter, with over 10 million in print. Vagni Iskander, Siobhan Taylor, Franz Olivier, Lynette Lewis, Rice Brooks, and life-changing worship with John Owens and special guests. Hosted by Ron and Lynette Lewis.
My name is Durham, and I've been transformed by Jesus.
You can be transformed and be used by God to be a transformer. March 25th through 27th, Durham, North Carolina. Join students from more than 300 colleges and universities. Register online at campusharvest.org.